Error is in a part of software development. Being a developer, you face in errors, and error, runtime error could be build time error. And if you don't know the solution of the error, probably what you will do? Are you still following this procedure to research about error and then figure it out the answer or the cause of the error? You're searching on the internet, Google, and searching on the Stack Overflow, ChatGPT, GitHub, Microsoft blog, or a lot more blogs, and then understand about the problem which exactly occurred as an error in your application. And this overall procedure will took almost 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Sometimes it took hours. And this is our production time, and this is more productive time, guys. So how to reduce this time cycle? Yeah, how to reduce this? For this, I built an AI agent in the C sharp which will do these all of the stack behind the scene and give you the solution. You only need to put your error and then continue working on your code. It will analyze and give you fixes. How it will work? Let's have a look. An agent, you input the error, it will start searching on the internet where it used the web search. And this is not a plain web search. It doesn't mean that as a user you go to Google and start searching. No, it's not like that. This search is enabled with the help of Tavily APIs. Tavily is in a platform that gives AI agent flexibility to search real time on the web, and then it will search and gives the result. Tavily APIs gives the result to our agent, and then agent analyze and provide the proper summary with the root cause, fixes, and then the probable reason why it happened. So let's walk to the code. And first, I think you need to understand the Tavily. This is Tavily URL, so you can also create your account. If you create your account, then you will get around over 1,000 units credits for month. It's a fee. So, and then you can connect with the help of Tavily APIs in your agent. So here I build an application where I registered semantic kernel. Then I registered here. These are the reading. This is a config. It's nothing. It's a web config. Application setting here. Then I read it, the data, and then register every plugin. This is the main objective of this tutorial. This video is how to build an AI agent with tools. So here we build the AI agent with a tool and register our Tavily plugin here, and the Tavily plugin is available over here. You can see this is the HTTP API call. It's simple, and then the agent will understand only tools if you denote this as a kernel function. So you have to add this denotation kernel function, and with the description try to write the description which is helpful for a agent to understand it. And you register this and then give the behavior. So this is also one of the important topic here. How agent know when to call your functions? What are the available function you do have? How to call your functions? So for this, they provide the flexibility to the agent. You can call automatically. It's your choice whenever you need. Then have a chat completion agent. So create an instance of that. Provide the name, instructions. This is the system instructions. This is mandatory to provide how we react over the problem. And then kernel object I passed over here, and then I start calling. So this is agent.invokes sync. This will call. So what will happen in the background? The background will be look like this. We input our exception, and then agent call will start. This semantic kernel agent will start pass this query to Tavily API, and Tavily API will search on the several search on the internet at the real time and then give us the response. Then agent will analyze and reason and give us the output. Right? This is the overall working. So this is the agent. Let's say I have error here, so let me copy the error. This is error. Sometimes you also face this kind of error. So whatever error, it is not fixed. It's up to you. If you face an error, you have an error description, you don't know the cause, so you need to definitely search on it. So to save your time, let's say for one error, if you on an average, if it took 30 minutes or 1 hour, so build an agent in the C# and semantic kernel, that will give you in some minutes, only 1 or 2, hardly 1 minute. So you can use your productive time, for the development. Don't waste your time in the investigation on the internet nowadays, right? So let's see. When I click on it, so it will start searching, and then in the background this search will go to Tably API, and the response come to agent, and agent will analyze and understand the results which is available, which found on the internet, and then gives us the answer. Can you see here what was exception summary? So it will describe the exception summary, the root cause, why this error happened, possible causes, the root cause analysis, then possible causes as well, why it happened, recommended fixes. It's not only one liner solution, but give you more as a senior developer, right? And correct the corrected code. So while this primarily environment and deployment configuration, and then give you the code, this code you can apply, probably this could be the problem, and this could be your, so it gives us the various solutions on it. And if issues still persist, then it say use it, check the installed runtime, right? Basically that problem is related to runtime. And then finally give the summary as well, and the match in summary, the fix involved ensuring all runtime dependencies are installed correctly, the deployment configuration match these dependencies. So it saves you time on behalf of you. It do the real time web search and analyze the results, give us the final drafted format as we ask to, or as we plan the AI agent, right? So this is the process, and the main objective of this video, guys, is if you are building AI agent in the C sharp using semantic kernel, then how you can enable real-time web search with your agent. That's the main objective of it. If you find this video suitable for you, if you save your time with this agent, you can start building this, and if you like, then I can share the copy of the source code as in a comment as well. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next session.